Fantastic, fantastic. No, we're delighted. We got it last year, and we didn't know whether we'd be successful again this year. But we're absolutely thrilled. It's just a complete credit to all the team that's involved. We've grown continuously since we started 9 years ago, and it just feels great to have some recognition for all the hard work that everybody puts in to the company. Really, it's fantastic. I'm really pleased for them as as well as for ourselves. Great. I mean, we were very fortunate to win it last year, and it stood us in good stead, and it's a great acknowledgement, and it's a great confidence boost for the clients as well, and hopefully it'll help the business to continue to grow. We grew last year, and hopefully the award was a contributing factor to it, and hopefully it will be for this year as well.
Well, it's a
bit
complete
dazed, really.
surprise, yeah. To win two is just fantastic. The thought of winning one was going to be a big achievement. Coming here was a big achievement, whether we won or didn't. But it's fantastic. We feel very privileged to have been so lucky. It means more champagne, really. It's fantastic, yeah.
I think it's a great opportunity to support the industry. You've got to give something back. Old phrases, I know, but genuinely. And I think we got involved right from day one, back to the days of Alice Portnoy, who was our brand manager then. kbbreview came to us and said, are we interested? Master Retailer is the pinnacle of the awards process as we see it in the evening. It's just such a great evening, but it builds and builds. And we wanted to grab that opportunity to have the ultimate award. And we've been linked, with it right from day one, and we wish to continue. I think it's 17 years now that we've been doing it. Great evening. The industry needs one. It's the BAFTAs, the Oscars, whatever you wish for the industry, and it really does set its mark in our evening calendar. It's fantastic.
Oh, splendid, really was.
Big surprise.
Marvellous,
actually,
yeah, big surprise.
We knew nothing about it until we was told to
You
come.
get a
really.
reward for something you've enjoyed doing all your life. It's not bad, is it?
And what's it going to mean for your business,
We're
That's
out of
good.
retired.
Yeah, we've retired, but to think we had an input into what it's running at now is something. It really is.
Well, I think it's down to our parents who worked and died young. And you feel that you owe it to them, really.
Yeah.
I do anyway.
So like carrying on the sort of legacy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they were very inventive. My mother was fantastic.
Very
Seeing,
creative.
things, what could happen for us. It was good.